morning, grade 5. How are you? I wish you all the best today, my heroes. Please open your book, page number 777, the new lesson 14.1. So continue opening your book, write the date of the day at the top of the page, and be ready. The coordinate system. Okay. The first thing in this lesson, you have to know about some concepts. What are they? A coordinate grain, ordered pair, x-axis, x-coordinate, y-axis, y-coordinate, and the origin. Okay, by opening page 778, you will find the highlighted words that I'm talking about. For example, here, a coordinate grade is used to graph and name the location of points in a plane. So the coordinate here means you have a grid with two axes, y-axis and x-axis. This is help you to go to or determine a certain point on the grid through the intersection of the two axes. This is about the coordinate grid. Okay, the ordered pair is to locate the points on the coordinate grid. It's like an address for someone. You want to go to his home, for example. If you didn't know the address of this one, the name of the street, the name of the city, something like that, you can't reach his house. So the ordered pair helps you to reach the point on the grid, to locate the point on the grid. This is about the ordered pair. Okay, what about x-axis? X-axis is the horizontal axis on the grid, and the vertical one is y-axis. And the point at which x-axis and y-axis intersect at. So the intersection point between the value of x and the value of y will be our determined point. Okay. But the intersection between the two axes themselves is called the origin point, and it's represented by 0 and 0 as order pair. Order pair for the origin point is 0 and 0. So I told close your camera, please. I will not mention for that again. Okay, so we talked about the coordinate grid, the ordered pair, x-axis, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, y-axis, and the origin point. It's very important to focus on that, page 778 before starting. Okay, now you can listen for the visual learn and come back again to our lesson. So what is your mission today? Your mission is to plot the location of any point on the coordinate. How can you do that? Through the given ordered pair, and on the grid you can move right and yes, you can move right or up to determine the intersection between the two values in the ordered pair to locate or plot the point. This is your mission today, just only. Okay. As we mentioned, this is the time for visual learning. Listen for it and back again to our lesson. Okay. And look back, page number 777 and look back. Why does the order of the two numbers that name a point matter? Explain your thinking. I told you that the ordered pair is like an address. If I told you that you are going to locate a point of 2 and 4, 2 and 4, and you inverse 4 and 2, you will be in another location. Your location will be, yes, incorrect. So you have to follow the ordered pair as given in the problem. Any ordered pair in the world contains of x and y. X and y, okay? At first x and the second one is I. The first one is x and the second one is y. Don't inverse them, y and x. It's incorrect, okay? So it matters to start with the value of x, then the value of y. Because if you change it, the location of the value, the location of the point also will be changing. So when I told you a certain order pair, you have to follow on the grade. Okay, everyone? Okay, let's see. The order of the numbers matters. Yes, I told that. Because the first number represents the number of units to move from 0 on, yes, on the x-axis. And the second number represents the number of units to move from 0 on y-axis. So the first value help you to know the distance on the x-axis from 0 to the given value. You are going to count the number of units and stop, okay? This is for x. Then for y, you are going to start the distance from 0 to the value given on y-axis. So you are going to count the number of units that help you to make an intersection to determine the location of the point, okay? Okay, everybody. Now you can copy the answer and move. So after that, move to the next page, 778, convince me. You're ready with your pencil and record the answer as follows. But first, we have to read and discuss the question. In the example above, name the ordered pair for the point B. F, it is 3 units to the right of point A, and tell how you decide. In the same page, in the essential question, you will find a grade with a green arrow and red arrow. This one represents point A, okay? He wants you to represent another point, which called B. B represented by moving 3 units to the right of point A. So you will stop on the point A and count 3 points to the right and move 3 units to the right and drop a perpendicular on X and drop a perpendicular on Y to get the value of the ordered pair or the new ordered pair, which will be, yes, I heard you say 3 and 4 or 4 and 3. Yes, 4, Mr. Walid, 4 and 3, because 3 and 4 move just 2 units to the right. But when you move, he ordered me to move 3 units to the right, so the answer will be 4 and 3. Let's see how. 4 and 3 as an ordered pair. At first, this is my answer. Why? Because point A is located on ordered pair 1 and 3. So 3 units to the right would give an x coordinate of 4 and y coordinate doesn't change. Yes, this is the distance from 0 to the fourth unit on the x coordinate, and we will not move from y coordinate, so it will be as it is. Okay, now we can move to the next one in guided practice, but before going, you have to finish the answer. Okay, my dear. Move to the guided practice, page number 779. Question number 1. You are graphing point E at 0.5 as ordered pair. The first one equals 0. This is the value of x. And the second one equal 5. This is the value of y. And I told you, don't inverse the ordered pair. It starts with x and end with y. It's a must to do that and follow. Do you move to the right 0 units or up 0 units? Think. 0 units means you are not going to leave the axis. You will be still on the x, okay? So you are going to stop on x or on y. You are going to move right or up. This is what I'm asking for. Imagine that you have a grid with 2 axes and you have 0 on the first one, which is x, and 5 to the second one, which is y. So you are going to move 0 units. It means you are still over the axis, okay? Over the x, okay? Or up 0 units. You will stop where? Up or on the right? Let's see. You will move 0 units to right. So it means you will not move from x-axis. The first number names the distance from the origin along the x-axis, which is to right, okay? So your point here will be over the value of number 5 on y-axis. Okay, question number 2 in guided. What ordered pair names the origin of any coordinate grid? The origin of any coordinate grid is the intersection point between the 2 axes. What are they? The first one x and the second one is y. When the 2 axes are intersected, okay, this is the origin point. Try to differentiate between the intersection of the axis and the intersection of the value on the axis, okay? Because the intersection of the axis will be the origin point, which equals 0. And the ordered pair here will be 0 and 0. And the intersection of value of the axis, it may be represent another point except the origin point. For example, if we say the ordered pair 3 and 2, for example, it will not be the origin point, sure. So the origin point represented always by the ordered pair, which equals 0 and 0. 0 on x and 0 on y. This is the origin point. So this is the answer. You can write it. Okay, my dear. Question number 3 is guided. Describe how to graph a point K at 5 and 4. Imagine that you have a grid with 2 axes. The first one on x equal 5. So you are going to move on the x coordinate 5 units. Start from the origin point or from 0 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. Then you will represent the value of y coordinate, which equal 4. So you are going to count from 0 up 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the intersection of the grade between the two values will be the requirement he asked for. Let's see the answer. He told you to move 5 units to the grade. Suppose in your mind that you have a grade with 2 axes, and then try to imagine that. Everything will be clear in question number 4 and 5. Okay, we did not finish yet. So pay attention and try to capture your answer and try to concentrate. If you have a problem, okay, wait until we finish. I will give you the opportunity to ask and share your question. So number 3, move 5 units to the right of the origin and 4 units up. Okay. Okay. Now pay attention, and I want you all to concentrate on the following question. It's the most important one in our lesson. He asked you in 4 and 5 to write the ordered pair for each point using the grade. Use the grade in front of you to determine the ordered pair for point B. Look at my mouse arrow here. This is point B. I'm looking for the ordered pair for point B. So I'm going to determine here the perpendicular. Yes, it refers to 3 here and 3 on X, sure. And the other perpendicular refers to 2 in Y. Okay, so I'm going with my ruler. Yes, to do like that. Perpendicular here for the value of X coordinate and another one for the value of Y coordinate. So I'm going to write my ordered pair starting with X or Y. Sure, I heard you all, Mr. Walid. We will start with X. So our ordered pair here will be 3 and 2. Okay, my dear? This is how to get the ordered pair for a certain point on the grade. Drop a perpendicular, and start to determine the value of X first, then the value of Y. Okay, I think it's clear now how to plot. And this is, by the way, our mission from the lesson today. Okay, my dear? So the answer here, or the ordered pair required here, is 3 and 2. 3 on X and 2 on Y. Okay. Question number 5. What is the ordered pair that represents the point A? Where is the point A? Look at my mouse arrow here. This is the point A. Sure, I heard you all say, Mr. Walid, it is the origin point, the intersection between the 2 axes. Sure, you are right. This is A, and this is the ordered pair represented by 0 and 0. Okay. Now continue in guided practice on the same page, 779. My heroes, pay attention and concentrate to the next one. In 6 and 7, name the point for each ordered pair on the grade above. Now it is the opposite. In the first one, he gives you the point and you get the ordered pair. In this one, he gives you the ordered pair and you have to name the point. Okay, my dear? You have to get the name of the point. So what? According to what? According to the ordered pair. So where is 5? The first one, number 6, 5 and 3. Where is 5 on X? This one. And where is 3 on Y? This one. So the intersection with my ruler will be like that. Look at the green line here. Look at this green line. Okay, this is 5. And this is 3. So the intersection point, yes. Here, say you are going to write D as answer. Correct answer here is D. So the ordered pair represented by 5 and 3 equal the point D. Okay, what about number 7? Number 7, 1 and 4. Where is 1 on X? This one. This one. Okay, where is 4 on Y? This one. With your ruler, drop a perpendicular here in this way, and another one in this way. So the intersection point between them refers to the point C. Yes, my heroes. Copy the answer and be ready to the next one. Okay. In independent brackets, in the same page 779, write the ordered pair for each point and use the grade. Okay. The first one here, number 8, point, yes, called T. Okay, where's T? This is T. Okay, T represented by what? On X, Mr. Walid, 0, because we didn't move from Y axis. Okay, we stick on. Okay, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So it will be, yes, here is 0 and 5. So the order pair here will be 0 and 5, represent the point T. 0 and 5. Okay, try to use your ruler, my dear, okay? Okay. Now, can you get the next one? Can you get the next one? Okay, my dear. The next one, number 9, represented by X. Okay, let's see. On X, 4. On Y, 3. So the ordered pair will be, again, look at this one. On X, 4. On Y, 3. So the order pair will be, yes, I heard you all say in a correct way, 4 and 3. Number 10, Y. Where is Y? This is Y. This is the point Y. Okay. X, just 1 unit. A Y. Huh? Okay. Just 0 on Y. So the answer here will be 1 and 0. Okay. Let's see. Number 11, W. The ordered pair represent W. Okay. This is the first one, X, which equal 3. And this is the second Y, which equal 2. So it will be 3 and 2. Start with X and end with Y. Don't change the ordered pair. They called it ordered pair for what? Because you are going to start with X and Y. Not to inverse the order, please. Okay? You cannot start with Y and X. It is wrong to do that. Okay, look at point number Z. Number 12. Where is Z? This is Z. Look at the perpendicular. Yes. 1 and 4. Number 13, S. Where is S? Let's see. This is S, okay. 5 and 5. Excellent. Can you copy the answer and move? Okay, my dear. Okay. The last question here, he said in 14 and 18, name the point for each ordered pair on the grade above. So he give you the grade and give you the ordered pair, and he want you just to find the name of the point. What is the name of the point that represented by ordered pair 2 and 2? This is question number 14. What is the name of the point which represented by the ordered pair 2 and 2? What is it? Let's see. 2 and 2. Yes, sure. L. Okay. The next one. What is the name of the point which represented by ordered pair 5 and 4? Number 15, my dear. Try to get it with your ruler. Try to determine the point. 5 and 4. Where is 5 on X? This one. Where is 4 on Y? This one. The intersection? Q. This is Q. Q is the answer. What is the name of the point represented by the ordered pair 1 and 5? Where is 1? Here it is. Here it is. And where is 5? This one. Okay. So the intersection refers to the point N. Okay. What is the name of the point represented by the ordered pair 0 and 3? Where is 0? This one. And where is 3? Okay. So the intersection here will be N. Okay. Where is the point M? Yes, 0 and 3. Okay. Now, 4 on X, 0 on Y. 4 on X, 0 on Y. You will not move. 0 movement. You will stop. 0 movement. Okay, on Y-axis, you are not going to move up any units. Okay, so the answer here will be P. Okay. Now, let's move to the next page, 780. Okay. Math problem solving, question number 19, the second section here. Okay. In 20 and 24, we are at page 780. In 20 and 24, complete the table, list the point and ordered pair for each vertex of the pentagon at the right. Look at the grade, look at the pentagon, determine each vertex and determine the order of the point and their ordered pairs, okay, and start. Number 20 will be the point what? Sure, you are going to start from the point A. Point A represented by what and what? Look at the perpendicular for A. It will be 3 and 5. 3 on X, 5 on Y. Okay. What about number B? Sorry, C. Okay. The second one will be C. C, sure. Because we determine the vertex, not any point, just vertex. So we started with A and the second one will be C. Okay. So from first, put a plot or to determine the vertex you are going to handle. So we are going to select A and C and E and G and I as a vertex. A, C, E, G, I. So any point except that, not a vertex. So it doesn't matter for us to, yes, to find the order pair for it. So just look at or look for the vertex just only. Okay, so we started with the first vertex which A equal 3 and 5. The second one will be, yes, sure, on the left will be C as a vertex, which is represented by order pair 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The second one will be, as the third one will be E. Yes, represented by 1 and 1. The fourth one will be G in sequence. G represented by 5 and 1. 5 and 1. The last one will be, yes, I. And I represented by 5 and 3. Sure. Copy the answer and be ready to the last question. Then prepare your confusion point. I'm going to discuss with you. Okay. Now on the last one, in the same page, the last question, 780, question number 27, Common Core Assessment. The Hannes family will visit the place located at 4.2 on the city map. Which of the following places is located at 4 and 2? 4 on X, 2 on Y, determined by the point of arena, museum, bridge, park. So where is 4 on X? Where is 2 on Y? Sure, the correct one is the museum. If we inverted 2 and 4, you will be in another place. So I told you and advise you from first. And don't forget to do that. Always to start with X and end with Y. Any ordered pair. The first one X, the second one Y. So the correct one here will be choice number B, the museum. Okay, my dear? Now, this time for your question, just raise your hand if you need help. If you have any confusion, just raise your hand and I will select the students who need help. Okay? Lana. Good morning, Lana.
Good morning, mister.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your problem, Lana?
My problem is if any number is out of the X and Y, what will happen?
No, you will not get such this question. We give you the grade, we give you the coordinates on, and you have to follow and get the ordered pair or the name of the point. Just
okay, thank you.
I told from first, Lana, if you're following with me, I told at first just you are going to plot, not to draw. You heard me, Lana?
Yeah.
You are just going to determine the location of the point on the grade, just only, not to draw or to write anything except the value of the ordered pair or the name of the point. This is our lesson today. Okay?
Okay.
Lana? Okay, Lana?
Okay.
Okay, Lana, thank you. Inshallah, new lesson. Thank you all.